labeling, everything you need. You get the drive unit for the spool. You can put all manner of spools in here. Aluminum, this thing does aluminum, does everything. So, I'm going to touch on as many things as I can today. It does have a 6 mil inlet for air or shielding gas. Now, what I did was, I bought this little kit on Amazon. Let me show you. And this is like an air fitting kit. So it comes with, the tubing you need. And these are 6 mil by quarter adapters because, I'm in the US and we do things the US way. And it comes with, all the stuff. I bought some, quarter-inch couplers. And then I bought some, invented adapters so I can hook up my shielding gas to my regulator. So I'll have all of this in the description. So if you guys have this machine, I know I put a picture on the X1 Pro user group, and everyone asked, how do you hook the regulator? That's the first thing they said. So I'm going to have this in there. I know this is uncommon, but that's US issues. Comes with all the tips for this is for the MIG feed. So you put this in the gun. I'm going to show all that to you. It also comes with focusing lenses. Now, these focusing lenses have to be stored at room temperature. That is something else. This machine altogether is more delicate than a MIG. Problematic for somebody like me in the environment that I work in. This garage is not climate control. In this little box, they give you protective lenses for it that are all sealed and clean. When you work with this machine, you want to be as clean as possible. You want to keep the dust down. I know, garage, I get it. We'll see how far I get.